Marty, I'm bored. I'm gonna kill you.
It was me. Yes, I did it like this.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a
double cup, styrofoam pull up. She look bad in the Maybach truck.
Ireland has got to be home to some of the world's most unbelievably pointless fucking traffic lights.
Val, look here, smile. Oh my god, EB Games might be having a sale. You guys having a sale?
Get the fuck out.
How many accidents since you got your license?
35.
That's not true.
That's true.
How many vehicles have you written off?
5.
5 complete write-offs.
Complete write-offs. Gone. Done.
And just so that we're on the same page, he's been driving for only 10 months.
Are you 14?
No, I'm 10.
Honey, I see you.
magic.
Really know what you're gonna find up here at this nursing home. Find me an autographed picture of Jesus Christ.
Customer states battery needs to be jumped.
Happy birthday, motherfucker!
The bottom line is people are without hair. You see him all the time. Will Smith's husband. He lost it.
Catch me if you can, Mr. Holmes.
So the first night is never usually that bad in any of the games, so I'll play through.
No! That is a no-no.
B.
Man, we have a problem, Mouse. A problem. What do you mean? You're in the parking lot. You stay here! You stay here with Stephanie! You take me to him! Take me to the son of a bitch! Take me to him! Come on! Go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Where's the son of a bitch? Where is he? Where are they? God! You son of a bitch! You son of a bitch! You got some of this!
Bagel, no! Bagel!
Gaming is intense, but baby sucking on me are seriously intense.
Hello, sir.
Hello there. No! I don't want to die!
You bastard!
What is it? What is your costume?
I'm gay!
Alright, guys. Time to prank my girlfriend.
Bless you. Bless you.
Indra, this is Charles Pike.
You good?
He's a teacher in the Ark.
I don't know if you heard of it before, but it's a fucked up name called Huey Magoos.
Someone's hit me fucking mirror in my own yard. You guys cook like old people fuck.
And I thought, my God, that came out of the blue. You know, I wouldn't expect.
This morning, someone painted one of our cones like Patrick. I ain't even mad.
Hey, which train goes to Tottenville?
You would have had to get on this one.
Ah.
Off at Jefferson.
Ah, God damn it. All right. I'll get the next one. Thank you. All right. Well, looks like I'm waiting for the next one.
Shut up.
See you, chump. What the hell?
Bongo la. Bo
家里有小孩的一定要入这个防撞脚。
And not make comments and listen, because the questions you're asking are what I have just got.
I don't care how old I get. If there's a bed and I'm in a hotel, yeah, damn.
One, two, three!
Kevin, that guy's not even racing you.
Yeah, he did, he blinked!
You'll see that I put together a quick timeline for Q2. But hold on a second, please. Oh, now you got nothing to say, huh? Go ahead. Say what you want to say.
Wanna look stupid in a car? Why not buy a stupid car?
What are you in the mood for now?
Alcohol. Quite extraordinary amounts of alcohol.
Just to hear my brother say, yo, what's up, buzz nut? Moves ain't sticking, water ain't sticking, it looks like a feather from the...
How fast I can do this. It's weak, bro.
Eight minutes to all.
Come on, dude.
What?
Hey, it's raining. Delete that now.
I can't order 63 burritos.
You're not gonna order 63 burritos.
That's home. How do I only make right-handed mugs? Like, how are you supposed to drink this?
Look at him.
Did she bite off her own tongue? Storm for $1 Million Baby herself. Sing with... Do you have any advice for young artists?
Kill yourself.
Бля, я не понимаю, нихуя, мне наушники надо новые, бля!
Star.
Point of view, I feel so lonely. I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder how, I wonder why.
Wow, that looks like a fruit roll-up. Oh, it's... Wait, how the fuck did you do that? You fucking wizard, bitch.
I'll be right back.
Пикабу Бушидо Хэллоуин. Фулё. Я постоянно с Трэвисом как Ди.
Which monsters actually taste good? Are there any? Like their cum? Their cum?
Monster. The drink.
#1 brand recommended by dentists.
Hi.
Oh, look at that. They're short staffed.
How you doing today, sir?
Oh, wow, they weren't lying. Hey, Paul, there's somebody behind you.
You've been talking to me like Mario all day long.
Ah! What the hell? How? Happening? Oh my god!
Look what you did.
That's a cup.
Look at it.
What? What's wrong with it?
Holy crap! You are creepy as shit.
Enemy securing Delta.
Enemy UAV out. I need ammo. Throwing smoke.
We're taking Charlie.
No, 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 no!
He's a wall.
He's in the goddamn wall!
When you decide to stop looking cool and wear a helmet.
Yo, bro, you recording me? Bro, don't record me, bro.
Look how fluffy. It's supposed to look like that? It's so big. Ow.
Can't handle the uber instincts of my uber autism. Observe